If you're navigating Agile but still want to see results, then stick around because I've got a game-changing tip for you. Agile project management is all about flexibility and collaboration. But what's the secret sauce? It's all in the daily stand-up meetings. These quick 15-minute check-ins are the heartbeat of Agile. Each team member shares what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and any blockers they're facing. Simple, right? But so powerful? Here's the kicker. These meetings keep the team aligned and focused. No long, boring status updates, just real, actionable insights. And guess what? This keeps projects on track and adaptable to changes. Feeling overwhelmed? Start small, implement daily stand-ups, and watch your team's productivity skyrocket. It's the secret weapon you've been missing in your Agile toolkit. So are you ready to revolutionize your Agile process? Hit that like button and share this with your team. Subscribe for more game-changing tips. Remember, Agile is not just a methodology, it's a mindset. Let's keep improving together.